First, you need to remove the film properly. This
Nope.
is an incorrect operation. It might create air bubbles underneath and attract dust. The right way is to use the base plate and slowly slide the film out along the cutting lines. Alternatively, you can use the backing film to push out the cut piece. Now it's time to apply the film. Get ready to put your patience to the test.
Nope.
Applying the film this way may result in increased air bubbles.
Nope.
The correct method is to gently support the four corners of the film with your fingers. Next, use the scraper to gently push out any air bubbles. When you reach the edges and corners, remove the release film counterclockwise along one corner. Repeat the same process on the other side. And just like that, you're done. Follow us for more screen protection tips.